In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Nintendo Eshop gift card. By the end, you'll confidently purchase a digital card online and get the code sent straight to your email, ready to use or gift. First, open a trusted website. You want an online store that clearly sells Nintendo Eshop cards and delivers them digitally. Stick to reputable retailers with good reviews, a clear refund policy, and secure checkout. Look for the padlock icon in your browser and a proper HTTPS address. It also helps to confirm the store delivers codes to your region, since Nintendo Eshop balances are region-specific. Next, search for Nintendo Eshop card on the site and select the gift card product. Make sure it specifically says Nintendo Eshop, not a different platform, and that it's a digital delivery rather than a physical card. Check that the card's region matches your Nintendo account region, for example, United States, Europe, or Japan, so you won't run into issues when you redeem it. The product page should mention instant email delivery or a short processing time. Now choose the amount you want. Common denominations include 10, 20, 35, or 50 in your local currency. Pick a value that fits what you plan to buy, keeping in mind that taxes may apply inside the eShop depending on your location. If you're unsure, going a little higher can give you flexibility, and any leftover balance stays in your wallet for later. Enter your email address carefully. This is where the digital code will be sent, so double-check for typos before moving on. If you're buying it as a gift, you can send it to your own email first and then forward the code to the recipient, ensuring you don't lose track of it. Choose your preferred payment method. Most stores accept credit or debit cards and popular e-wallets like Gcash or Paymaya. Make sure your payment method is enabled for online transactions and be aware of any possible foreign transaction fees if the retailer is based in another country. Only enter your details on the store's secure payment page. Confirm payment to complete checkout. Review the order summary one last time, product, denomination, region, and email, then submit your purchase. You might be asked to verify your payment. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, receive your digital code. It should arrive in your inbox shortly after payment. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Keep the email safe, don't share the code publicly, and consider saving a screenshot for your records. That's it. You've successfully bought a Nintendo Eshop gift card online.